his email bounced back to me. So I was not able to have contact with him prior to today to remind him or advise him of this court date. For that reason, I asked for an adjournment so I can possibly send the letter.
And Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Hudspeth is before the court for a violation of probation. He is not compliant with the terms ordered by the court. Probation makes due diligence to try to reach out to defendants prior to hearings to get them into compliance. He was non-responsive to me at that time, given that he is also not here probation to keep us bench warrant.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 10,000, 10% privilege on that. Court does call the case People versus Abdul Scott.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Scott, who stands to my right. State your name for the record, sir.
Abdul Scott.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today's the date and time set for sentencing. Mr. Scott and I have had the opportunity to review the PSIR. We only have one correction, which it would be to the address that my client would be staying at. If Your Honor would prefer, I can just send that via written communication to the court. Outside of that, we have no material corrections to the PSIR and would ask for the court to adopt probation's recommendation. As to the fines and costs, my client is set for sentencing and anticipated to be released from the Washtenaw County Jail on the 10th on Friday. He has a sentencing in the 15th District Court. That being said, he is currently not employed. He's been in custody for 50 odd days. I would be respectfully requesting a payment plan as arranged by probation so that Mr. Scott can get out and get employment and get on his feet.
Sir, anything you want to say?
So currently right now, I have...
In the courtroom today, tension filled the air as the judge listened carefully to the defense. Mr. Scott, battling lung cancer, stood before the court. Not just a man facing sentencing, but a person fighting for his second chance at life.
Cancer, and I had missed my cancer treatment back in July. So that was the reason why I couldn't come back. That's why I had missed my court date, because I have lung cancer. So, but right now I'm currently hoping to currently get out and possibly get back on my feet and stuff like that. As far as work and possibly get back on the road and school and college and stuff like that. So that's what I was really hoping for too. And because I had missed a lot of court dates. No, I had missed a lot of time out of work due to being incarcerated and stuff like that here. I had got fired, so.
Your Honor, can counsel and I approach?
Man. It reflects we've had a brief bench conference in this case. Sentence of the court, I'll place you on 12 months probation. You're to pay $555 fines and court costs, $360 probation oversight fees. That will be due by December 31st, 2025. There should be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You are to complete the Beyond Barriers program or a comparable program. You're to begin and maintain employment with proof to probation. You're to complete 25 hours of community service. You're to contact probation within 24 hours of your release and report then as directed by probation. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 57 served. The balance is suspended. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Mr. Scott.
The court does call the case People versus Shante overall.
Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Mr. Overall. Your Honor,
As the judge delivered the sentence, 12 months probation, community service, and strict conditions, the courtroom fell silent. Mr. Scott's relief was visible. His plea for redemption had been heard. No victory, no celebration, just a man walking out with hope, a chance to rebuild, and a promise to change his life.
What flavor? I saw the blue on it. I knew what it was.
That's good to know.
Mr. Bird. He is here.
Who, Bird?
Yeah. But he stepped on him.
Good job.
He was here?
Yes.
Was the client here?
Uh,
Well, I'll pass it. Then he's either going to come back or wander for a while. We're waiting on. Oh, there they are. Court does call the case of the people versus DeMarcus Washington.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Washington. State your name for the record, please.
DeMarcus Washington.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Washington is also before Your Honor for a show cause. He is being held, I believe, on no bond before Judge Perry until at least the 27th of this month. So he'll be in custody for the next couple of weeks. I'd ask for an adjournment of the show cause.
In today's hearing, DeMarcus Washington stands quietly before the judge, a man caught between hope and consequence. His lawyer requests an adjournment, knowing DeMarcus is already in custody. The judge listens, patient yet firm, reminding him that responsibility can't be delayed forever. A new date is set, January 14th. One last chance for DeMarcus to set things right.
Is that the only thing holding him now?
Yes, sir.
That?
Yeah.
And you see her on the 27th?
Yeah, it is.
Is there any, I mean, I realize I can't guarantee, is there any expectation as to?
I don't know. Do you think you're going to get out?
Yeah, I should get out on the 27th, back on probation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're on probation, you're locked up at this point,
That would
and
mean-
you expect to go back on probation.
Yes, sir.
Then let's do this. I'll adjourn this then to January 14, 2026, 9 a.m. Don't forget, okay? I'm gonna put it out of ways, so maybe what you can do is get your stuff together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, thank you. Why is she still here? Serps. Isn't she supposed to?
For educational. Hello, Your Honor.
Pardon?
As the session ends, DeMarcus nods respectfully, his eyes filled with uncertainty, but a faint spark of determination. The courtroom empties, leaving behind the echo of a man's promise to rebuild. Will he return ready to change, or will the cycle of mistakes continue? Only time and his choices will tell.